First of all, let me ask our Maryam Namazie. She's one of those wonderful women in the history that will stay on the pages of history for her bravery and for the wonderful the action that she has done. Please welcome Maryam Namazie.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the public meeting. We've almost, probably most of you have heard me speak at the rally, so I'm sorry you have to go through this again. But I want to congratulate you all for International Women's Day. It's a great day. I know it's tomorrow, and we're celebrating it in the week that passed and the week to come. It's an important day because it helps us come together around issues that we feel are important and that we still need to fight for. And I think the fact, particularly when it comes to Sharia laws and religious-based tribunals and courts, that there's a lot of fighting that still needs to be done. The One Law for All campaign was launched on December 10th, International Human Rights Day. It's been extremely successful. Nearly 10,000 people have already signed our petition. And as you saw today in the march, we've had several hundred people at the march. And I think it's a brilliant start and one that we should all be proud of. I think today is a day when the British government will have to begin to start taking note that we will not allow separate standards and norms for different, so-called different people in this country, and that we demand citizenship rights and equal rights for all women and men living in this country. And also that, you know, we won't allow relations with the Islamic regime in Iran or, you know, the liberation of Iraq and Afghanistan that actually brings and promotes Sharia law for people there. And, you know, that we are very linked in our movement here for rights in Britain, as well as with the people in Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, and many other places fighting for a life worthy of 21st century humanity. We also want the Islamists to take note, because they have been bringing their Sharia courts and tribunals in quietly for many years. They've already decided on 7,000 cases, and they've, you know, brought a lot of misery to women living in this country. And we want them to take note, because we're not going to allow this to continue, and we are going to mobilize a mass movement. And I think we're going to remember today, but they will also remember today. They will remember today. Okay. And I want to say that, you know, we are all part of this very important movement. And I think the public meeting, we're not all, obviously we don't all agree with each other, the speakers on the panel, but I think it's important to have discussions and debates on these issues, because they are important. They're not theoretical debates. They're debates that have impacts on people's lives, and that's why we need to do it. We need to raise awareness. We need to ask questions. We need to challenge each other and challenge the society at large, because it's our task and our duty. I think it's a fundamental task and our duty. So congratulations on International Women's Day, and I look forward to seeing all of you throughout, you know, the years to come in our battle that lays ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Maryam Namazie.